Hello, my name is Ositemono Julius, your main man, Oracle. Right about now, I want to say something to you, something so interesting, so wonderful, so esoteric and powerful. I want to show you a building, and most of us are like this building over here, abandoned, burnt, like bird. And sometimes in life, you're wondering why people abandon you and you don't seem to understand. Friend, I want to say something to you. See, sometimes we are left, sometimes we are burnt, sometimes we are looked down upon, and it seems as if nothing is working. Actually, sometimes our life looks as if it doesn't work. But let me say something to you. Irrespective of how you look like, irrespective of how you feel like, irrespective of how burnt you are or abandoned you are, there's still hope. There's hope for you. You see, every building that is not looking good can be renovated. In other words, your life can be renovated. You see, there's a big difference between good looking from looking good. See, sometimes you may not be good looking, but you will decide to look good. You get what I'm saying? You see, you may not be good looking, but you can decide to look good. So you may not have the good clothes that you're looking for in order to be good looking, but I say you got the smiles to look good. You see, so no matter how bad your life is, no matter how bad the situation seems to be, you see, everybody got a story. My story may not be as worst as yours, and your story may not be as good as mine. But everybody got a story. You say someone looked down upon you, someone abandoned you. Everybody faced shits. So what's your excuse? Man, you got to rebuild your life. You have to stand for yourself. You need to stand for your dreams and tell yourself that no matter what comes your way, that you ain't gonna back down. That you are the man for your life. That you can make choices that will make a big difference for you. So you look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that, hey, it's not over with me. It's not over with my life. Because I still got air in my nostril. It's a sign that God is not done with me yet. But the question I want to ask you is, are you done with yourself?